This is Troy with Big Water UAV Solutions, and I needed to give you an update on the Quad Mafia FPV Palooza that may or may not take place here in Eagle River, Wisconsin, August 4th, 5th, and 6th of this year. Having some difficulties procuring insurance, event insurance at a reasonable cost. I have signed the special use permit, and part of that special use permit requires to have $1 million general liability insurance for the event. I thought everything was locked up. I had, prior to signing the special use permit, I did some research, and I found the International Drone Racing Association, which on their website claimed that they would offer a drone event insurance for the cost of $350 for up to 7 days, 7-day event. I attempted to call them because I was not going to purchase that online, and the number was disconnected. So I sent an email and then pursued other avenues. I reached out to a couple of brokers, a couple of agents, I should say, who reached out. I submitted some applications. I received one back so far. I've got 2 more in the pipeline. But this particular one here, a little out of the ballpark, shall we say. $2,857 to insure a FPV drone event. And I specifically, of course, just asked for a drone event. Really doesn't matter whether you're flying FPV or not. So that's way out of the ballpark. That's not going to fly. No pun intended there. I did reach out to MultiGP, and they recommended that I reach out to the AMA. So I reached out to the AMA. The AMA informed me that you need an event manager to organize an event, and then you can get the event insured for $75. Sounds good to me. However, I don't meet the qualifications to be an event manager. You need to be a 1-year member of the AMA, and whoever sponsors that event needs to be present the day of the event. Part of that, they need to ensure that everyone flying is also a AMA member. I am not going to require that for our event. We're not going to require anybody to become an AMA member for that. I did reach out to the local AMA chapter, and they're not interested in sponsoring the event or participating at all in the event, which is not actually surprising, given what I've heard that most of the AMA is just pays lip service to quads and drones. So that is where we are at. I'm waiting on a couple quotes. Obviously, we're going to have to make a decision soon. I'm going to give it no more than 2 more weeks to decide. I'm waiting on another quote. And if anybody out there knows of any other avenues I can pursue to get drone event insurance, I've applied for air event insurance and, air meets, etc. Specifically, we want drone event insurance. Alternatively, we could possibly relocate the event. And unfortunately, up here, that's really not an option, just because we don't have any parks with the area that this particular one has for flying. We can make it a private event. However, we can't close off the park to the public. And I think the county would look at that as circumventing the stipulations that they've given forth to hold an event at the park. So this is where we're at. I wanted to get this out and get this on my channel in case I'm not on the Quad Mafia FPV, Quad Mafia channel tonight. And anybody can reach out to either myself through the comments or reach out to Michael at Fly Zone Drones with any further assistance maybe that you can give and directing us on who to go to. I mean, there's only about 12 underwriters out there in the entire world that underwrite drone and aerial insurance. And we're running into huge price increases. That's what one of the agents told me, that they've just gone completely bananas and through the roof. Of course, so has everything else. So anyways, I'm going to sign off now. I just want to get this out there. I will keep you posted. Keep the faith. We'll try and work something out. I would hate to have to cancel this event, but if that is indeed what we need to do, I think it's going to be a bigger problem moving forward. I think municipalities and cities and towns are going to start requiring insurance for anybody to be flying out of their parks, launching or landing out of their parks. They're going to require it. And we're going to have to fight that. But obviously, that's another thing. So there we are. Remember, FPV is not a crime. And take care. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.